Hi paddlers, Track Pilot Cole here. Now I'm going to demonstrate the paddle float rescue. The paddle float rescue is a self-re-entry technique which utilizes the use of a paddle float. So we're going to do a little demonstration on land. We're going to look at a couple of paddle floats. So the first paddle float we have here is a paddle float from our friends at Northwater. This is a rigid paddle float, so it's great for ease of deployment, and this paddle float is never going to fail on you. So you're going to secure the paddle float on the blade like this. You're going to buckle it up. At this point, when you're in the water, you're going to want to secure the paddle shaft near the stern deck, grasping with one hand. You're going to be lying down in the water. With your PFD, let your legs float to the surface, kick, and move your body onto the stern deck. Once you're at this point, you can hook one foot onto your paddle float, and then you're going to want to rotate your body into the blade while maintaining points of contact. So a little challenging to do on land. We're going to get on the water and see what that looks like. So this inflatable paddle float takes up a lot less space. You could keep this behind your seat or on the front or the rear of your deck. So with this paddle float, all you need to do is insert the blade, bring the buckle around, close it, and then inflate from one of the valves. At this point, this paddle float works virtually the same. You got it out in the water. Grasp the paddle shaft and the rear of your cockpit or a stern deck line with one hand while getting low on the boat, and repeat the same motion that I just demonstrated. And now when you've completed your paddle float rescue and you're ready to deflate the paddle float, all you need to do is release this valve, bring your paddle vertical, submerge the paddle float in the water, and the pressure of the water will deflate the paddle float. At that point, you can roll it up and stow it on your deck. Go out there, be brave, and I'll see you on the water.